El segundo puesto, reñidísimo en esta gran final que fue campeón. ¡Pippa! El primer puesto.
The morning after, the stress is relieved. Second, mommy.
Second.
Yes, I'm gonna give you guys an update because I didn't vlog that much during the competition because I really wanted to focus. My parents have been very supportive during the whole competition, so I really appreciate that.
Your whole life.
My whole life, not only during the competition.
Name of the game was It Was Windy. The traditional cross offshore wind, the Levante, Levantera, blowing 40 to 45 knots, and the guys and girls having to deal with it out on the water.
How was it, Baba?
I had a coffee, tried some big loops, couldn't get the landing, but tomorrow I'll make it. Good morning everyone, it's day 2 and as you can see the wind is already moving and we're ready to hit the water in a bit.
The heat's going up.
Then it was time for the girls to come out on the water. The conditions, the extreme conditions here in Tarifa, they have been holding down. It is incredible to see how they are pushing the envelope. They have no fear. Then we had Pippa van Iersel, the powerhouse from the Netherlands. You can always see the smile, pulling off some of the biggest kite lifts we've seen here in the competition. In 4th position we had Rita Arnos. In 3rd position we had Hannah Whiteley. 2nd position Pippa van Iersel, and the queen of Tarifa, Iersel.
Just came out of the final and there's the winner. How did you feel, Iersel? Yeah,
It was super nice competing. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Woo! We made it to the podium.
I'm super happy with my result and I couldn't even sleep last night just because of the adrenaline, I guess. And also you're always thinking in your bed, what could I have done better? Could I change something to make it on the first place? Because that's also where you're aiming for. Hey! Oh, I'm on my way to the prize giving. We already had the podium shot on the beach yesterday, but now I'm gonna officially receive a trophy. Super happy to be receiving it in a bit. Always feels really good. Never get used to a podium spot. So let's go to Baldevagueros at Bibo, the prize giving. We are here at the campsite. Now it's time to decide which t-shirt I'm gonna wear on the podium. What a dilemma. Alright, what should I choose? Oh, a white t-shirt with some palm trees. Stylish. Or
Whoa.
it goes with this cap. Like
Yeah.
a really good combination.
This is too blue.
This and this one like this.
Great.
Second of the world. I'm gonna make little exciting people.
Look. She made such a mess of her closet.
Come with me. It's actually the first time entering without being nervous, because every day when you walk you're like, okay, I gotta compete, I gotta be ready, and now stress is out and I can just walk here and enjoy it actually more.
What time did you go to sleep?
3:30.
Really? And you managed to
I-
sleep
I-
and wake up?
Yeah, because I took a nap yesterday before going to the party. Because we had to be at 11:30 in the club latest. Alarm at 22:45. I woke up, then I went there. It was really nice. It was worth it. It's quite empty, but it's quite sandy as well.
Yeah.
We kiters are so famous. We're getting guarded with guns.
El segundo puesto, reñidísimo en esta gran final que fue campeón. ¡Pippa! ¡Iersel! Y también
super nice, so nice. Shredding with this girl and Miko. What a way to send it, girls.
Yeah, pretty good. Got that first place here. But yeah, the conditions were really tough, but in the end, everything worked out, and I just had a great time. Yeah, she's saying she got first, but next time, Mika, we're on you, huh? Don't calm your ass. Keep it tight.
We're coming. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, girls, for great show, great final, and looking forward to the next comp.
Woo!
It was amazing to watch you guys. I mean, it's just mind-blowing, really.
My biggest challenge was don't get too nervous, just do my thing, land my tricks I know I can do. Then I would make a podium, and I'm really glad I could do that.
Fantastic. Can somebody shut the dog down?
No problem. So that's how we get a free parking spot for around 3 days. Just a picture with a guy and we can go.